Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the issue when screen rotation isn't working properly on your Samsung Galaxy A11 tablet. First of all, you have to toggle the screen rotation by turning it off and then on again. Then try to use different applications to test it. Try to tilt your tablets in different positions, and if the problem remains, then restart your tablet by holding down the power button, selecting restart and confirm, and this resolves most issues, in most cases. So right now just wait until your tablet is restarted. Now check your device, check if the auto rotation started working properly on your tablet, and if nothing changed, then check if your software is up to date. So this might be the issue. In order to do so, you have to open Settings app on your tablet and swipe down the sidebar to Software Update. Select download and install. Make sure that you have an internet connection, of course, and wait until your device checks for updates. And if there are any updates to your device, then download and install them first, and then check your device once again. And in case there are no updates, then the last thing that we can do is check for third-party interference and see if some third-party applications may affect the way that your auto rotation behaves. So what you have to do is enter the safe mode where third-party apps and activities are disabled. So press and hold down the power button, then hold your finger down on the power mode, then tap on the safe mode and wait until your tablet is restarted. Okay, and now you are in the safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, you will be able to see this indicator in the top left corner of the screen. Check if your auto rotation is enabled. Check if it works in different applications by tilting your device once again to different sides and seeing what it does, if it does anything. And just in case entering the safe mode didn't help you, you can still go to Settings, swipe down to General section in Settings, General Management to be specific, and here you have to swipe down to Reset and select Reset All Settings. This will not remove any personal data from your device, but it will reset all the things listed in this list. Tap Reset Settings, then confirm by tapping Reset again, and this will perform the reset operation. Once your tablet is reset, restart it once again and check if the problem was resolved for you. And if it wasn't, then this might be a hardware issue at this point, and in such case the best option for you would be to try to reach out to Samsung customer support service and tell them about your issue, and probably you'll have to send your tablet to them for repair. So yeah, because at this point, if it's a hardware problem, then it may require the hardware specialist to take care of your tablet. And at this point, I will finish this video. I really hope that it helped you with your problem, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.